What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry about the wind noise. It is a little breezy out here today. As you can see, we got the intern's 350Z up on 4 jack stands, quote unquote intern. This is our boy Andrew. Helps us out a lot, comes through. He's young, so we're trying to guide him in the right direction to do good stuff to his car, and this is probably one of the best things that he's done so far. So as you can see over here, we got a big brake kit, AKEBONO's, off of a G37 370Z, whatever. We have the adapter brackets here, along with each spacers, all the hardware, everything needed to go ahead and put these successfully onto a 350Z. As you know, these brakes don't actually come on these cars, so we're gonna go ahead and show you guys the install. He has stainless lines for the front, stainless lines for the rear as well, so it's gonna be a nice upgrade, definitely, for sure. He did get an oil cooler, but we're not gonna install that today. So yeah, I'll go ahead and set you guys up and give you guys a step-by-step process of how to put AKEBONO front brakes on a 350Z. So stay tuned.
Let me get the bag of bolts.
All right, guys, so as you can see, we already disassembled the stock brakes that are on here. It's just these two 12mm for the line. Then you got the 10mm wrench for the actual line that's connecting to the car. The two 22mm bolts that are holding the bracket for the caliper. And now we're just mocking up the adapter plate, or adapter bracket, whatever you want to call it, for the AKEBONOs. So we're test fitting that, making sure we know how exactly it goes before we tell you. But once we get that all put on the car, we'll go ahead and give you a walkthrough. All right, guys, so we went ahead and got the first caliper kind of mocked up. It looks actually really good. So, oh, God bless you, coronavirus. So yeah, moving along. Gonna go ahead and double check our work, make sure that everything is correct, and then yeah, go ahead and keep installing. All right, guys, so finally got the adapter bracket all tightened up. You want to go ahead and use this washer that they provide for the top. You want to use your washer and lock washer, and then down here you use another bolt that they provide going to the stock actual arm that connects to the back, and then you have the two bolts right there for the AKEBONO caliper, and then that screws through and through, and then you put the rotor on, put the line on, and yeah, so this is the first process. We didn't actually have an instruction manual, so we had to look it up on CZP, and that way we actually knew what bolt went where, what washer went where. So a big thing is always, you know, read instructions, always try to learn before you do something like this. So learn from our mistakes, but we'll go ahead and give you the final walkthrough once it's on this car, and then we'll move to the other side, or once it's on this side, and then we'll move to the passenger side.
Let's go.
Looks good, man. Can't even front.
Where's
Here, I'll push the cab or the rotor. Yeah. Yeah, looks good. First thoughts? All right, guys, so for AKEBONO brakes, if you're gonna be putting them on a 350Z, you do need to upgrade the lines. So as you can see, CZP sells a whole kit for 350Zs. The rears are, I believe, the same. You don't have to even put an adapter plate if you're using AKEBONOs in the rear. It's just a straight bolt-on. But you do need to change the lines, at least in the front. In the rear, I don't believe you need to change the lines, but you know, they sell the whole kit, so might as well change them. But yeah, it's coming along really good, looking great. We just got the line all tightened up, so yeah, moving along great.
Better than nothing for sure, but
now we are working on the passenger side. Obviously, now that we know how to do it and where everything goes, it's a lot simpler. I don't even know if that's a word, but whatever.
Just a quick thing, you have to put this without a rotor to find the location of this washer, and then you take the...
You're saying for this top piece?
You put it without the rotor, this hugs that, you tighten these two, take this back off, put the rotor, and then put this back on. All the way down. All the way down. Put the button. Pump. All the way down.
So as you can see, guys, we got the car all bled up. The wheels are now back on. It actually looks really good. These wheels are hyper black with the Verdoven whatever red thing, but it looks really good with the red AKEBONO. Super nice. So hopefully everything goes good on the test drive, and yeah, that's how you install AKEBONOs on a 350Z. All right, guys, well, on the test drive the dust shield was hitting, so we're gonna go ahead and bend that back. But all in all, pretty simple install. Looks great on the car. Definitely worth it if you get a good deal on them. So let us know what you think about the video down in the comments. Again, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We appreciate it all. As always,